Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you got the error whenever trying to access a folder. You don't currently have permission to access this folder in Windows 10, 11, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run you just need to type gpedit.msc. Click on OK. In here you just need to full screen on it and under the computer configuration expand the Windows settings and expand the security settings and local policies security option. Click on it. Now you just need to scroll down to the bottom. Now you can able to see the name with admin approval mode for the built-in administrator account. You just need to double click on it and set this to disabled. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now another one is run all administrator in admin approval mode. You just need to double click on it and set this to disabled. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.